Ma Stanford? Where you come from so early, Ma Stanford? Eh? Where you come from over Sister Bertha yard so early in the morning, yeah? And Sister Bertha husband been gone a foreign. Eh? But you see the me Jesus, thy kingdom come. Eh? Ma Stanford. Oh God Almighty. Where you a come from over Bertha yard so early? Eh? No, I can't believe it. Hmm? I never even know say you get up so early a morning time. Eh? Oh my. No, this not real at all, at all, at all. You make me conga language part me I go. Hmm? You see me dying trial. Eh? Them ya whole people ya nowadays. Hmm? Them no easy, you know, ma. Me I tell you. And only the young generation them a give on, you know. Eh? Because look on the age of my Stanford. Eh? And my Stanford I come from over Bertha yard. Eh? True, my Stanford know say Bertha husband gone a foreign. Eh? I only hope to God he not an a foreign and hear about this a calamity. Yeah. Because a man will use up in cutlass, do you know? Is a machete man. You make me come along down at the polling station. Yeah, you hear? We no got time for people business. I want to reach down there early, early. Before cock take off in draws. So as soon as he open, me can cast me vote and come go back home off of the road because me holy I know me can't bother with the whole tegareg them pan the road, you know. See, I me cup this way me have me tea in. So me I go down there. Go see if me get one seat out there early, early. Me not even know if nobody reached there yet because a 4:45. We don't even want to talk loud. But nobody here. Say me I go so early. But me dear ma, I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep at all. Every turn me turn. Every turn me turn. Me this I think about the election. Who I go win. Because me wouldn't like to know say um um you know man, me wouldn't like it, you know man. You understand? Because right you know things are going so good. Eh? And me wouldn't like to fall off of the jackass when me dip on a ride, you know. Because me no want Stanford laugh off of me too, you know. So make me come galang where me I go. Yes. Let me have it here, me little snack in my bag. Because them a go give me curry goat and rice, but Maba, me stomach can't manage the curry goat and the rice at all, at all. A two dumpling and little saltfish me have in the bag here. And one cup of coffee tea. Because me can't manage the rice. The rice is settle up on my stomach and now got through me hole. So me have to carry my food with me. And me dey me care if they want say when me I go with them the type of food they you know because it better me have me hard food man. Because me can't manage too much of the rice, you know. So make me come galang, go sit down. Mass fan so you know say for a whole man. You fast in a people business too much. You know I pass Bertha yard and hear mango a drop and come out and go they go take up two mango. I say a long time me no eat no mango and me can't eat this a mango ya when me catch down at the polling station. I fast, you know fan so. Eh? Why would me couldn't not come out of people business a whole bat like a you? Eh? Why you not come out of people business fan so? Eh? And you always have to attack the thing more than where how it go. Tell me now, when me coulda do over Bertha yard, and it walla we come from same place. Fancy you fi mind your business, you know, fancy. I tell you, see man, one of these days somebody a go put you in your place because you is too fast. You make me come and go cast me vote. Because for me party must have to win this election here. A too long now, then out of grass there. I suffer for cut yam grass and yam green grass. So me come cast me vote early. Before the whole turbine them come out pan the road. Because I tell you, I see them pack up out a halfway tree there. I tell you, a good thing say, me nay go out there because not even place no did they fi hold me. All me see a pear green. Like when you go he under mango tree. And the bush, them cover over the mango, them and all these things. No, man. I tell you, them pack up out there, them pack up out there. But me, Stanford, no say, somebody other one them pack up out there too and listen to worry. I couldn't the whole of the green one them pack up out there so. Some other one pack up out there too, man. I tell you, me uncle I tell them say, I hope to God, then I go dig up nobody will pass off fi come vote, you know. It's a fair election we need. I'm telling you, we need it to be fair and square because me know, me Stanford know say we can't lose this race here this year. This time around, we going to give them a whipping. But Kaka Fat Stanford, it looked to me like your hand, your whites, you know. It look like you not drink up some liquor last night, Stanford. Eh? Or a mad puss piece you not drink. Because them the way have fly out of your mouth. You don't know what you're saying. Eh? This your election, your seal. It's sign and seal. I'm telling you. So I don't know how where you get for your tour them from. I must see the real nephew rum in a yum. Because you no left out a rum bar. You no left out a the bar. So nothing come out of your mouth can sensible. But don't for God say, me is a man where I read my Bible and study my Bible. Yes, and the Bible me I take and the feet, you know. So you make me tap whole argument with you. Because me and you are brethren and me no want me and you fi mash up the friendship here over politics. Cause when politics done and gone, you know, you know say me have to come over your yard, come beg me liquor this and me liquor that. So me no want me and you catch up in a no farmer problem over politics. Because if I want assault you, may have to come ask. Because after the election, you know, here gunfire. You see how them a walk up and down round the place now? They can't turn their heel. After the election, ma. You know, see them, until when the election come back around, Hmm? All them road we want fix and this fi happen and that fi happen. Yes, them a go tell you say it all happen. But after the final count and you hear say them win, and you see them put on them big jacket suit and sit down up in a parliament there and cut them 10 and start frame law and chat foolishness. You know, here gunfire them again until election time come back round again. As so me know I go. And Stanford, if you know what is good for you, you see, you just cast a vote and go on back of your yard and make me and you live good. You hear what me I tell you? Nobody making friendship mash up over politics. Yes, because I them same one I go sit down in a parliament and chat this and chat that and eat and drink when they have them big party. Then I invite me and you cause they don't know me and you. The only time you count in this a country is when the police come for you or you take out the police. Other than that, nobody no count you. So, no worry yourself over them. All right?